Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So rhinoshield was nice enough to send me over their screen protector setup for front and rear and the cases. I've got the screen protector adhered on here. It's working its way down. All the bubbles are coming out. I'll talk about that later. But here is the case. Now these are solid suitcases, and this one right here in particular is a carbon fiber feel to it. You can see all the cutouts and ports are going to line up just right. So you've got your volume rocker or power button over here, and then you've got this cutout for the camera and LED flash. You've got the fingerprint reader, a nice sloping design on this side. This is very important when you're buying cases for the Asus Zenfone 5. You need to make sure that microphone hole is open right there, because there's a microphone there, and there's another one up there, and then there's another one down there. So be sure that that microphone hole is open. Again, you've got lip protection along the front here, and on the bottom, again, the microphone, charging sync, headphone, and speaker are open. These cases are pretty much identical. One's just a carbon fiber and one is a matte feel. These are what the Asus Zenfone 5 needs to me. Every phone has to have that case that is made for some kind of drop protection, because these phones are glass and metal, and I don't know if you drop this, you know how it'll turn out. So all I can say is that of all the cases that I've seen for this Zenfone 5, and once again I appreciate rhinoshield sending these over, this is probably going to be along the lines of what I would have purchased anyway, because I have like the sub case and things like that for other devices, and this feels really good like that, except you get a cover on the back, you get some texture back here for grip. So the cases are actually really solid, man. I mean, they fit just right. The phone isn't big already, so the cases won't make the phone feel bulky, I should say. So there you have it, man. Just a couple of cases from rhinoshield. I've already reviewed these cases for the iPhone X, and I'll be doing so with the Galaxy S9 shortly. But 11 feet drop protection is what they're stating here, and so military grade AT&G. These will work on the Z5 as well, as you can see there. But these are actually really solid cases, man. They feel really good, and at this point of using them, I don't have any complaints with it. So maybe I'll give you a follow-up later, because I do drop my phones from time to time, and this phone will probably live in this case. Some phones I keep them in cases, like my Galaxy Note, I keep it in a case. The Zenfone, the Xperia XD Premium, I keep it in a case. This phone will be one of those phones that I keep it in a case because it's very small and compact, but for having a 6.2-inch display, and this case feels really good. So it's your man Jay Will. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.